What's good, YouTube? Don't look at YouTube. Alright, bruh. It's time for the ultimate house tour, bruh. The house isn't completely done, but I'm gonna just show you what's done. Then we'll finish the house up in a little bit. So, this is my office. By the way, I'm turning this into like a hotel. I might throw a couple parties here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what's that? But so this is my office. This is where I just chill out and stuff. You know, this is the waiting room when I do my hotel roleplay or whatever. This is the TV for the waiting room because I didn't want to use the high tech stuff. This is like my thing where I like check them in, you know. And then okay, so you walk in here. First thing you see, well, the first thing you see is a flight of stairs, but then you see this. So you just turn on this light real quick. Um, as you can see, when you walk in, there is two rugs, and I don't really have an explanation for that, but I just think it looks nice. So I put a chair right here in front of the TV, which is a flat screen that just goes on the wall, and I put the Xbox and the PS4 right here, and I think you guys already would know, but I'm just gonna say it. I put the TV here. I mean, I put the chair here just so I can I sit here while I'm playing my video games or whatever, and then I turn on TV, just watch TV or play video games, because video game consoles right there. So right next to it is where I game PC gaming. You see right there, uh, and so this might actually be the best bedroom in the house, and then this is a fireplace. And this is where you read. This is the reading section. And actually, I just thought of something, so hold on. I just thought of adding something to this reading section right here. This beautiful reading section. Might add just like a chair, you know? You know? A chair. Um, so literally it takes so long just because everything's not loading. Like, come on. Alright, so you're gonna put like a I gotta wait for the cursor to turn black and everything. Sorry guys, this is taking longer than I thought just because it's just like being weird. Okay. So I'm putting a chair right there so that I read while I'm I can read. And then there's a pool table, obviously this is pool. I think. And then this is the bed. And there's a shower in my room because I don't know why I just did that. And this is a nightstand, little nightstand. Okay, that was a lag spike. Okay, and then you walk down the hall a little bit, and you see this room that's it's not really too full. It's really just a lot of area space, and so I'm thinking to fill that void. I was thinking, maybe I could just put like a couch right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, that's actually exactly what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna get this couch, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this couch right here, and I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Um. So this is meant to be a two-person bedroom, as you can see, a children's bedroom. Or if you want an adult to be here, they could just request this room and just tell me, I just want to change this bed to a bed that has two seats two people that lay next to each other, like a big bed. So this is my first seat. This is my gaming seat for it. It has a less better desk because this is like not gaming. This is like for work and stuff, and this is for gaming. And then this is the bathroom. And then when you walk through the bathroom, you see this room. I haven't done anything with it yet because I'm not sure what to do with it. This is a baby room, though. And then, okay, we walk out of this room, and blah, blah, blah. We're back in the hallway. So, we walk upstairs, and then, you see this laundry room. You can watch TV while you're doing laundry. This is not really too fascinating right here, but you literally just do laundry in this room. And yeah, it was pretty much. I haven't done this room yet because I'm not sure what to do with that either. Might make it another bedroom. This is okay. This whole room is just like a room that I would throw a party in. Like, if I threw a party, I would just like close out these rooms, and I would close out every room, and I would leave this door open, and you could walk in here and do your games. Now you can so now basically what you could do in this room is you can play video games. You can there's music, there's pool and ping pong table, and then there's this chair to sit and just watch TV or play video games, and a Christmas tree just to light it up a little bit. Um, and then, yeah, so you would walk through here then, and up here, as you can see, there is a. So there's wait, okay. So what you really what's not so noticeable but really cool is this sword right here, and then you can play music out here because this is where the party would mainly be at, because pool party. And then there's stuff right here. You can clearly see what that is. It's a pool table, two ping pong tables, obviously, and then it's not as close to the wall because you need space to be right here, and then yeah, in the pool table you need space to go all around just because whatever. And then so this room is intended to be a kitchen though. So what I did was I just put the main things that I would need in the kitchen. I just put it right here. And this grill, it's outside, so you need a grill. And this was just a really nice touch to the house that I thought would make it look a little nice. So you could just sit here, talk to your friends, whatever. I haven't put the chairs there, and here's where you could just sit by and watch the pool or jump in. um, and then yeah, another one of these tables. It was kind of random, but Um, and as a lot of you guys know, if you know about Rocitizens and you play Rocitizens, and you have this kind of house, there's another set of rooms, whatever. So I have not actually did anything to these rooms yet, but yeah. So that is my house tour. You see what I'm saying, bro? This is my house tour, bro. So yeah, so now I'm about to throw a party, and then you guys are gonna be here while I throw the party. I gotta set up the house for the party. I don't gotta actually do anything extra. I just gotta close all the doors so nobody can get somewhere where the party's not intended to be. This is not for you guys to visit my house. It's for you guys to party, have a little fun, talk to your friends. That's how it's gonna be. I'm definitely gonna have to close off my office. Oh, can't. Shoot. Okay. Watching. Okay. So, let me just make sure. Okay, all the doors are closed except for. Okay, wait. Okay. We're ready for the party. Okay, I'm just gonna throw a party. So I'm gonna go to my phone, click the home button. Okay. So if you did not throw parties, you just basically go watch me, and that's how you throw a party. Confirm. So yeah, everyone is invited to my party. Party at my house. Super fun. Okay, now people should start coming. So hopefully that the people start coming. Okay, someone's here. People are here. Hey. Alright, this is the party, bro. She's being awkward. Wait, hold on. Let me change my, Okay, these guys are role playing in my house. Stop. No, stop. No, stop. uh, Okay. Oh no, I thought that was something else. Stop. Ah. Alright, it's a pool party. I'm just gonna like, yo, this is kind of weird, bro. Kind of boring. Kind of boring. Kind of boring. Like, it's the game room's right here, bro. This is the game room, bro. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, I'm gonna hop in. I'm hopping in the hot tub. Dave. Yo, she just got in and next thing you know, a head pops up. What? Yo, this is the party. I'll play some music. Enter a new sound I play. Wait, change. 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 Okay, let me get a song ID right quick. Listen. Alright, I got a song, bro. I got a song playing, bro. Done. Alright. Now we're gonna play some music upstairs. Is people even at my party anymore? Alright, people are. Okay. Use change one. Change one. Boom. Done. I didn't change. Oh, I gotta turn up my my Roblox volume. Wait, no, copyright. Hold on, let me turn it down so the video can't hear it. Everything. It was kind of mixing together a little bit. But I don't care, I'm hopping in this pool. Bruh, this video. Oh. No copyright. Never mind, bro. I didn't want it to end. I didn't want it to end. I could listen to my friends. I want it to last. It was made out of plastic fake. Yeah. Mistakes. You made my heart ache. You made my heart break. You. Well, this might be the end of the video, guys. I'll see y'all later, though, you know. We threw a party, we did a house tour, and, you know, it's good, bro. See you, man. And